Can you introduce yourself?
Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Winnie D. Fronda. I'm 32 years old. I have one daughter and two sons.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, Ma'am. I worked before on Jeddah.
How long did you stay in that employer?
I stayed there at 3 years.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
None, Ma'am.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
Taking good care of the babies, Ma'am.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I want to pursue my dreams for my family and for my kids.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, Ma'am.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, Ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, Ma'am, I will.
How about an elder person?
Yes, Ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I will check her temperature and update to Madam.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them write, reading, singing, dancing.
Can you sing a nursery song? Can you give an example?
Yes, Ma'am. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
I want a understanding employer and
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
no, Ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I can do anything you want, Ma'am, and I am a hardworking person.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities, Ma'am, and I will finish my 2 years contract to them. Thank you, Ma'am. Have a nice day.